All right. Hey everybody. Sneaks and Geeks back for another, this is a quick one. This is really just about the sneakers and, you know, that's what we build the computers around here. So, a little unboxing for you. These, pretty different. I'll have some close-ups, but these, straight from the San Diego skate shops. Safari Arts and Rec SBs. Pretty different. Not going to be easy to find or build a computer to match these, but I have some ideas. Ooh. This helps with the ideas. Different laces. I'll have some close-ups for you. I like these. I'm gonna have to wear them. We got pink, we got green. It's not really matcha, but some cases that are. Then we got a little orange, we can do orange. Cool sneaks. Stay tuned, we're gonna find some parts for this. We're gonna build something nice. I'll get you some close-ups. Leave some comments. Like and subscribe if it's your first time here. W Energy Drink, thanks for sponsoring. 10% off in the description. And Exodus Games 83. If you're into zombie games, Aiden's got you. Like and subscribe. He's very entertaining. So let's see what we can do with these. Thanks for stopping by. Leave a comment below and give me some ideas. Tell me what you think. We'll be back.